What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, guys. $6,179 on the day. Just an amazing day filled with so many opportunities. Yesterday, guys, we talked about this outside bar on SPY, and you can see today, guys, it absolutely exploded. So I'm really happy that we were able to catch that one. And then I posted that on the Twitter and the YouTube, and I talked about it yesterday. And it was just an excellent trade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you guys through that setup and just talk about what's next. We're also going to look at Microsoft, AMD, and tomorrow we're doing a live stream at 1 p.m. Eastern. All right. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear, and we'll get right into it. Dr. D, what's going on? Candace, Bill, Gus, Trading Wars Army, T, Marcelo, Art, Trading Wars Army, Mikey, what's going on? Who else do we have in the building? All right, come on in, guys. All right, so let's go ahead right here and let's start the replay on the day. And I'll just walk you guys through the trading today, and we'll go from there. All right, so we had an outside bar yesterday. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the box, okay? And just to recap on these outside bars, these outside bars are very powerful candles. And we actually took, so you could even look at an example like here on Tesla. You see these outside bars on the daily chart leading to pretty significant moves, okay? Very significant moves. So whenever I see an outside bar, I'm always looking for an opportunity to take advantage of it, because the concept of the outside bar is it breaks the high. You can see right here on this outside bar, it breaks the high and it breaks the low of the previous day, creating somewhat of a trap. Okay, so I'm going to go right here to the Twitter. I also posted this on the YouTube, and I'm going to walk you guys through this trade. Okay, so yesterday we're looking to go long 438.51. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw that. Okay, and then I'm just going to double click and move it up. And we're going to put this one in green. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the short. All right. So whenever we have these patterns, we have both a long level and a short level. So the level short was 434.14 because we don't know where the momentum is going to be, but we know there's a good chance of momentum. So we always have both sides ready. I use conditional orders to make sure whichever sides hit, we're going to fill. Okay. Yeah. So Trevor, that's your question right there. So if it breaks this, so I have a trigger. If it breaks this, I'm going long. If it breaks this one, I'm going short. Okay. So I use the momentum on the chart to tell me what the play is. All right. So I'm going to go ahead here to the swing trades. So you guys can see that I posted this one last night. And we're looking for the 439 calls. All right. Our first target is 440.55. So let me go ahead and just draw that up for you guys as well. So 440.55 right there. Okay, so we'll put this one in yellow. All right, so we have everything lined up right now. Everything is ready to go. Okay, hit me with a 10 if you guys are ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play the first 5-minute bar of the day. Here we go. Boom. All right, so if we look at this, guys, this candle started off extremely tight. It's inside of yesterday's range. So we're not doing anything right now. Just waiting. Boom. There's our fill, guys, at 950. And then from here, you could see we consolidated with a nice inside bar on the level. And let me just fast forward. It was gone. And what I really like about this setup the most is look how we retested the level. Hit me with a 20 if you see that. So we broke out and retested the level. That's how you know you have a clean, strong level. All right. And what I did here with this level, this is an average true range plus a Fibonacci. It's a formula that I developed. But basically, this is what you want to see. So even if you missed that initial breakout, we got the retest on the level, guys. We broke the yellow line, which is our first target, and have some runners going forward. So this was an excellent swing trade posted yesterday in the Discord. And I also posted it on the Twitter and the YouTube. All right, so make sure you guys check that out. So now what I want to do is let's dig into futures, okay? So I see, Mikey, I banked from your futures levels last night. Awesome, brother. So hit me with a 4 if you want to do futures. Do you trade futures? Let's talk about the potential of futures now, okay? So, okay. So here we go. With futures, the 930 open is right here. Okay, so that's right there. And let's go ahead and let's get our levels for futures. So for the futures, we wanted to go long 4434. All right. I'm going to show you guys something really powerful here. Okay. 4434 right there. Okay. All right. So let's watch this now. So with futures, it opens after hours. Okay. So here's Wednesday right here. And futures opens right here at 18. Okay. So this is the futures open right here. Okay. So right here, this is where the futures open. So this is at 6 o'clock. Okay. Hit me with a 2 if you're following me, because some of you guys might not be familiar with futures. So the futures is opening at 6 o'clock on Wednesday night. And then you can see here's the price action. Here's midnight on Thursday. And then we have this push down here. And what I want to show you guys is our long level is 44.34, which gets filled at the open and it squeezes. But what I want to show you is this. What if we take a Fibonacci from that low? Okay, this is the FOMC low. Bring it up to the high. Bring it across. Do you guys see how crazy that is? Right on that 786. Look at this, guys. This is what I love Fibonacci. Hit me with the 20 if you see this. The push up, pull down into the 786. So this was happening around 8:30 in the morning. And then we traded to the full extension, which is there. So that full extension, we did a little bit past that and then came down. But there was some algorithm power, okay, coming into the open because we could see it filling in. And then it just ripped, guys. And that's what I also love about futures. However, for us, we just played the regular trading hours right here, and we're happy with that. All right. So let's count the points now. We take it from entry to the high. That's 50 points. Okay. So let's go down to about 40 to be conservative. 40 points on one contract, guys. So 10 points is 500. It's $2,000 on one contract. Hit me with a 7 if that's amazing. On one contract, that's $2,000. Just one. You know, I've traded with big size, and I know people that trade 10, 15, 20, 30 contracts. That right there, guys, is a way to exponentially grow your account. But if you're not ready for that yet, that's fine. Okay, because you could just do SPY, you could do shares, you could do ETF, you could do options. There's so many things to do. But I really want to show you guys, that's kind of like the end goal, is to be able to get to those futures contracts because there's no decay. All right, but you got to be careful when you trade it. All right, there we go. Okay. All right. So from there, now I'm going to talk about Microsoft. Okay. So the way futures work, I have a guide in the description. You requires margin. Okay. Yeah, literally. Yeah. Brandon, these moves happen every day. 100%, bro. But what I really like about this move is this one felt like it was easy. Hit me with a 4 if you guys made money today. Did it feel easy? Because the reason I'm saying it felt easy is because we had a simple outside bar. Here's the outside bar. We had 2 levels. It broke the level and it was gone. There wasn't any trickery today. We knew what the market wanted to do. It had an outside bar. The outside bar means it's a pivot in the market, okay? And that pivot, it wants to make a direction. It wants to make a move, okay? All you got to do is look at the previous outside bars. Let's go to the weekly chart. Look at this. We took this outside bar on the weekly. Look at the monthly chart. We took this outside bar on the monthly as well. And now we go down to the daily. There's an outside bar as well. Okay, so what I'm trying to show you guys is the ultimate form of trading. You know what this is called, guys? This is called confluence. Okay, this is called as above, so below. We have an outside bar on the monthly. We have an outside bar on the weekly. We have an outside bar on the daily. But the beauty of trading is it's the same setup. Okay, whether it's on the 1 minute or the 1 hour or the 1 day or the 1 year, we have a simple approach. We look for the break of the outside bar. The outside bar represents a trap. And that's why today felt so clean, because we got what we wanted, $6,000 in the bank, and we move on. You move the 10 if that makes sense. All right. So the other thing that I wanted to point out is a lot of people ask me about investing. And, you know, one of my top picks that I posted was Microsoft. Okay. And this right here, guys, this is just one of my swings on Microsoft. So unrealized $6,241 of Microsoft. Okay. But I probably made close to $50,000 plus on Microsoft in a very short time, probably like a year or two. Okay. And what I want to show you now is let's talk about that investing swing trading strategy. Hit me with a 6 if you guys are interested in that. All right. I normally always talk about day trading, but let's go ahead. Let's talk about that investing swing trading type of setup. Okay. So I'm going to go here to Microsoft. Okay. Yeah. So for the take profits, use the Fibonacci, the guidance. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go here to the weekly and I'm going to talk to you about Microsoft, okay? So what we did, guys, and for those of you that have been following me for a long time, we used the Fibonacci from the all-time high to this swing low right here and this swing low right here, and we projected Microsoft, okay? So what, one of the most powerful investing strategies, guys, is using the Fibonacci extension, all right? So we had a high to low move here. We pulled back right to that 5618 area. And then we came and we traded exactly right down to the 618 and we put in this holy grail. So this holy grail, guys, was that confirmation. And then we had another one back in March. The holy grail is a part of my free indicators, tradingwarz.com resources. Link is in description. Add them. The holy grail is one of my most powerful patterns outside inside bar. Okay. But what we did is we were buying Microsoft on this push down, because if you understand how these algorithms are trying to trade it here, guys, they took the 618 pullback, sold at the 618 extension. It's a mathematical formula, essentially. Okay, hit me with a 2 if that makes sense. So now we know we're coming to completion. This is where we'll be buying. So I just want to show you guys. I don't post a lot of investing or those type of setups, but when I post them, guys, they're usually really powerful because they don't happen often. All right. So see if I can find this one here. Microsoft. So let me scroll up here. So find you guys some Microsoft. So Microsoft, my rules of investing is very simple. If I use something every single day, that's going to be a part of my long-term portfolio. All right. And what do? We buy dips. How do you buy dips? Okay. So right here, guys. So this was back in 2022. For anyone interested in Microsoft long-term play, as I discussed last night, 240 or lower is a good starting point for the initial dip. Took some Microsoft, but finally got some decent gains, $7 a share. Long-term holding takes time. Love my team. This is back in 2022, guys. All right. And when we get those once-in-a-lifetime plays, guys, I really feel like that was a once-in-a-lifetime play. The other one was the COVID crash. So anytime I got a good name dipping, use that Fibonacci extension, and I like to use the Bollinger Bands. Okay. Bollinger Bands come into play for me. Anytime we are outside those bands, I'm looking to average dollar cost, okay? Because I'm in this for the long run. And today, finally, guys, so the previous all-time high was 349.67, and today we did 349.84. So I want to congratulate everyone that's been following me, and I hope you guys hit your goals. But, that was the play. And the other thing I wanted to show you as well, on May 31st, I posted this all-time high swing trade. So make sure you guys are following me on the Twitter. I post the Microsoft play calls above 344 back on May 31st. And from there, guys, here we are right now. Beautiful. All right. So beautiful, beautiful. Hit me with a 15 if everything makes sense. Okay. And I wanted to go ahead and talk to you quickly about AMD. And I really wanted to show you the power of day trading. Okay. Day trading is such a beautiful thing because you can make money long, you can make money short. Okay. So if we look here, I'm just going to show you guys here. AMD, $1,000 short. So let me ask you guys this question. Do you think you could have made money? The market is ripping today. Can you make money short? Hit me with the 1 if yes, hit me with the 2 if no. So what I want to teach you guys. So tomorrow when I do the live stream, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and follow so you get access to the live stream tomorrow. I'm going to show you guys a concept called relative strength and relative weakness. Okay. So you might be saying, Rich, how could you make money short? The market is up, but it's the little details of trading that you have to pay attention to. All right. So AMD, let's go ahead and get that post. So let me just refresh this. I posted this one here. So if you're a TradingWarz Army member, you get this Excel spreadsheet that has my options, entry, stop, target. Okay, and if you're a free member, you get the regular picks like this. So we wanted to short AMD 124.20. Okay, so here we go. Horizontal line. Let me go ahead and draw that. 124.20. Right there. Let's go to the daily chart. So the reason I wanted to take this short, guys, we had this holy grail, the same thing I just showed you on Microsoft, a holy grail with this double top potential right in the morning here. Let's go ahead. Let's replay this. Right in the morning while the market was going bullish, AMD broke down, bang, bang, bang. Okay, retested the level, straight into a new low right there. That little move can make you $1,000, guys. So that is how you can use relative strength and relative weakness. And now let me show you the flip side. Okay. So we also did this one on SPY, Tesla, Apple, AMD, Disney. There was also Roblox. I posted Roblox in the Discord, I believe. But Roblox, guys, check this one out. Okay. So now I'm looking at Roblox, right? And then from there, we have this one going bullish. Okay. So these are not, so right here, guys, this holy grail, that's not an indicator. That's a candlestick pattern. So when you have an outside inside bar, that's a holy grail. And then this one inside outside is a nirvana. So these patterns are not indicators. These are candlesticks. So they develop in real time. Right. All right. Yeah. So Wells Fargo, I didn't post that one. That was one of my other picks. I didn't post that one. I wasn't 100% confident with the setup, so I didn't post it, but it did end up making me money. All right, guys. So I just wanted to show you that, you know, the versatility of a day trader. I really hope today that I just showed you the power. You swing trader, you have the swing trade on SPY. You have the plans, right? Like this. You can just automate it. You could sit back. Or you want to be a day trader. Hey, I'm shorting AMD on this level. I'm going long on Roblox. I'm doing different things. And that is, I just want to empower you as much as I can, guys, to whatever is going to work for you in your situation, because not everybody can day trade. Not everybody can swing trade. Not everybody can invest. There are so much tools. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. And today was like the icing on the cake because all three things today worked. And it doesn't usually happen like that. But when you have everything working, guys, that is the best feeling because you really feel like, hey, maybe I'm what I'm doing, right? As a new trader, especially, hey, maybe what I'm doing, maybe I could do this for a living. And when you get to that point, guys, then you can break the barriers for, trading for a living if that's what you want to do. All right, guys, Lotto Friday tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the live stream. Let me go ahead right now and just share this link with you. So I'm going to be live trading at 1 p.m. Eastern. It's to celebrate my 33,000 subscribers. I want to really just do some giveaways, have a good time, hopefully get some winners. It was a big winning day for me. And to be honest, guys, usually after a massive winning day, it's kind of slow, but hopefully we can turn that around because I really want to get a winner with you guys live on stream tomorrow. So here's the video for tomorrow. I'm just going to go ahead and link it in the chat so you guys can make sure you just turn the notifications on because not everybody will get my notifications unless you have the bell icon on. Okay. And that's it, guys. Look, if you want to come trade with us, so I'm going to do a live day trading session in the morning. If you want to come trade with us in the room, guys, you can sign up right here on the main page. Okay. And you can sign up right here for the room, $49.99 a month. Come trade with us live in the Discord. Or if you want to get any one of these books, you can go ahead and get the book. It'll come with 1 month for free, and you'll get the indicators for life, the Nirvana and the Golden, the ones I just showed you. You'll get the ones with alerts, send the alerts to your phone. But what I want to do actually, guys, is because we do the live, we're going to do the live stream tomorrow. If you guys show up for the live stream tomorrow, instead of getting 1 month for free with the book, I'm going to give you guys 2.5 months for free. So it's one of the things I want to really push and show you guys live trading, because a lot of this, guys, a lot of people can talk about trading, but you got to show people in real time. And that's my goal. All right. So I really hope to see you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for your time. And that's pretty much it, guys. Great day. Just want to come back and finish the week strong, guys. let's go for it. So Lotto Fridays, my goal is always $10,000. That's my personal goal. Your goal can be $100, $1,000, whatever. That's my goal, guys. Let's try to get there tomorrow. So I hope to see you there. Please comment, like, subscribe, guys. I'll be live right here on the YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.